Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video I'm going to be doing a little bit of a makeup declutter and organization. This is my little makeup station. This is the end of my desk. The other end of my desk has my computer. Also messy, but right now we're focusing on this. So I don't have a massive makeup collection. Like, I feel like when you watch these type of videos, it's always like beauty guru people and they have like these massive collections of makeup that they're decluttering, organizing, doing all that. Hey. So my collection is pretty standard for like normal people. And basically I just sit here and get ready every day, every morning before I go to work, and it gets kind of messy and out of control. And I've been needing to do a reorganization and declutter. I know I have a lot of products here that I don't use or that are empty. Time reorganizing my drawer stash. Anything I use on a daily basis, I like to keep out on my tray because I know I'm not going to take the time to put it away. But anything that is like a backup product or things I want to try or things I don't use very frequently, I will store in this drawer. Again, I spent a little bit of time sorting through the products I had in here, getting rid of things that I don't use, and tossing things that organizers, I started placing in all my makeup.
All of the different acrylic organizers you see here are either from the Dollar Tree or Amazon. Any that are from Amazon, I will have linked below in the description box for you. I didn't end up keeping my lipsticks here, but I still thought it looked really pretty and wanted to show you guys anyway. Time cleaning my brushes. I swear by the Beauty Blender solid soap. It is kind of pricey, but it has seriously worked better than any other soap product I've tried to use to clean my brushes in Beauty Blender. So this is how I like to clean my brushes. I'm sure there are plenty of different ways you can do it, but this is just the way I do it. So first I like to make sure my sink is clean and sanitized. And then I will fill up my sink with hot water and just plop my brushes in there to soak. I have this little tool that I like to use to scrub my brushes. I bought it from Amazon. I will also have this link below. It works really well on helping release the makeup and all the grime that gets stuck in your brushes. So basically what I like to do is just rub my brushes all over the soap to really saturate it, and then use the little tool to scrub. So I'll do that individually to all my brushes. I don't really worry about rinsing them because I will do that for all of them at the end. I have used both dish soap and baby shampoo in the past, which work okay, but you definitely spend a lot more time sitting there scrubbing your brushes, while this soap just pulls everything right out immediately. Now for Beauty Blenders, you definitely have to work at it a little bit since they're super saturated with the product. So basically I'll just make sure the soap soaks into my Beauty Blender really well and keep rinsing and scrubbing.